Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Hush app. So these YouTubers were all raving about it, or most of them at least. They were really recommending purchasing things from the Hush app. So I've been wondering what these YouTubers were really talking about, so I decided to make a purchase myself. And when I got the package, I was like, yep, I'm gonna do a review on this. Okay, so before we get started with the video, please make sure to subscribe down below and click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. Follow me on all my social medias to keep posted of what I'm up to. Without further ado, let's get right on to the video. So I'm going to start by addressing how long it takes to actually get here. It took me about a week. I ordered on a Sunday and it came by the next Monday. When I placed my order, it said, "Great, we have your order." I received an email stating that they had received my order, which I thought was great. But when it came to them packing my order, it took a while. It says, we received your order, we've packed your order, we've sent out your order has been delivered, something along those lines. They also sent me a tracking number, which was pretty great. It tells you where exactly your order is, and I really appreciated that because I really wanted to know, okay, where is my package at? What is it doing? You know what I mean? It took about 3 days for them to package my order and tell me that it has been sent out. I got a little bit worried every time I would check and it said that my order hasn't been packed yet. I was about to contact their support. Keep in mind that this is my first time purchasing from Hush. Finally, Monday arrived and I got this cute little package. I was just like a tiny bit disappointed by the size, and I was just like, okay, so if the packaging is this tiny, that means the product is tinier. I was like, So I opened my package and it came with like this bubble wrap, which is half popped because I couldn't help myself. Another thing that I thought was great was that when you had your first purchase and you signed up with Hush, they send you something free. So I just got one little thing, this palette, and I got this as my free gift, which I thought was pretty cool. I was pretty excited. It was wrapped all around. It was pretty protected, like so. It comes like this, and then it has this. When I first saw the palette, I was just a tiny bit disappointed because I thought the palette was going to be a little bit bigger. I actually thought it was going to be the size bigger than my palm. Here's my palm and here's the palette, and it is the same size, around the same size. I was just like, so when you open the palette, it comes like this. I already opened the palette and it comes with like a little plastic thing on top of it. So I tested it out during the week and I really liked the pigmentation. This is actually the first palette that I bought for myself. I think that the quality of these shadows make up for the size. So I really like how it has a mirror and then it has like a magnet strip here so it can close. The one thing I wouldn't recommend you to buy is these. I opened the product, right? So I got this glue and it was completely empty. If you're trying to get eyelashes, I think that it would be great if you got them, but don't expect anything from the glue. It was completely empty. I was a little bit disappointed, to be honest, but it was free, so hey, what can you expect? The eyelashes are nice. I really want to wear them sometime. I was a little bit disappointed about the glue, so watch out for that. Another thing I would like to quickly mention, the Hush app has a few items that I actually saw at the store on Tuesday that I went, and I actually saw the white chocolate palette from Profusion, and in Hush it is $14 and in the store it was $7. You really have to do your research when it comes to buying palettes. Try to get it somewhere else if you can get it cheaper, because some of those may be more expensive than they actually are. I also think it's important to mention that the quality of the other palette that I saw at the store was not as great. It looks good on the app, but it doesn't look as great in the store. Keep in mind that it is the exact same palette. So the other one is half the price and it kind of is a rip-off to me. Really do your research on which palettes you're gonna get. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they have free shipping if you download their app. So that is it for my review, guys. Is it a scam? No, it is not a scam, but you could get cheaper options for the same products in the Hush app, so just watch out for that. I was actually pretty excited about this palette, guys. I wore it to school twice this week and I was pretty excited about the pigmentation. I actually got a lot of compliments. I really liked how the shades looked on my eyes. It wasn't worth $9? Absolutely. So my final thoughts, go for it if you really want to save your money. I really believe in saving money because money doesn't come easy, not for a lot of us. Comment down below if you have made any purchases. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I appreciate it. And thank you if you stayed till the end and you're hearing me say that. I really appreciate you, seriously, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know the drill. Subscribe down below, like this video, and share it if you really like my content. That would be great. Thank you. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. My first impressions about this were, okay, let me just swatch them, let me test it out during the week. And I did test it out. Okay, that's creepy. I tested it out. Oh my god.